Here's interesting app which is called Buzz Me Now. So let's just go through it and quick tutorial for you how to get started with this app, what it does, and so on. So this app is basically is like a effortless voice chat on the go. So if you like sending audio messages, voice messages, then definitely give a try to this app. In WhatsApp sometimes you can send this short voice messages instead of typing. And yeah, so this app is basically that. So it's walkie-talkie combined with voice messaging. um, with Buzz, you now don't need to unlock to hear the voice messages. It works perfectly on any system. Buzz is light, small, and born to be the ideal battery as well as data saver. Buzz provides chat history feature where users can always listen back to your voice messages at any time. Voice is the most natural and primitive way of human communication. Our vision is to create an ultimately simple communication tool that is capable of covering all devices in the future, enabling users to talk to their friends simply by opening their mouths without clicking on their phones whenever and wherever possible. Let's just open it up. So this is how the app looks like. It's actually very simplistic, very easy to use. What you need to do to create an account, just enter your phone number, receive a confirmation code, and then you will be ready to start. And then how it works, what the next thing you need to do, you just need to add a person. You can't send voice messages to yourself. You need to add friends. So you can just tap add friends, and then you can just invite via link. You can give access to your contacts, for example, and then you can invite them. If some of your contacts are already on this Buzz app, you will be notified in a pop-up and you can instantly send them a friend request. You can also invite them via link, so you can just share a link with them. And then search friends. Let's see. Okay, so you can only search friends by a phone number, so you can't search them by username. So that's what it is. And then after you will be able to add friends, and the other person needs to accept your friend request. So then imagine you have this friend, and instead of typing messages, you just push to talk. Hey there, how are you? Your voice message will autoplay if Andrew is online. And then it says you can also send voice messages when the app is minimized. If it works also with dynamic island. This is like a new feature on iOS 16 where you see this area in the top right, so you can try it out. Hey there, how are you? So you can also all right, so you can just tap on it, expand it, and it's like, how are you? And then you can just leave it. So anyhow, you need to practice it. I didn't use it with a dynamic island before, but this is just the idea. So it's quite convenient and it's a cool app. And then you just have all these messages sent and saved in your voice history. You can then listen to them, and then you can just reply to each other. And then if you want, you can also, of course, send text messages, and then you can also add photos and add some albums. Then also you can, if you don't like the message, you can unsend it, delete it. Then you can just clear the whole chat history if you wanna. Something around that. So this is basically like a messenger, but which is focusing mainly on audio messages. So that's what it is basically here. Then also you can, in the bottom right, you can also just tap and send a photo. So just take a photo and send it there. And that's basically the idea. That's the basic functionality. And then if you tap on the contacts in top right, you can also create a group of people. So just create a group, a new group. You can just name it as you want, and then just create. And then you can just push to talk to this group. Hey group. And then again, it's just being saved in the group chat. You need to. So then yeah, this is your chat, and then you can just again clear chat history, and yeah, you can also participate in the group chat. You can also add members to this group. Invite via group link. Then you can also edit this group, obviously rename it. You can also just create QR code to this group, copy, download. You can use QR code to basically to scan it, and then or just use the scanner in this app. And then of course you can just send a message to this group like that. Also, if you want to add a contact, there is again QR code scanner in the top right, where you can just do it again and scan to add friends. If you see new friend requests, you will see them in the request section. If some of your friends try to add you in BuzzBuzz Me Now app, then you will just be able to add it there. And that's basically the idea here. So that's what you have. Again, of course, you can change your profile picture, change your first and last name, and then you have settings where you can edit profile. I don't know if you can change phone number, not sure. So I think it's not possible to change phone number at this moment. Then if you want to delete your account, you can do it from here, but just you need to know that deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete you from all Buzz groups, delete your local message history, and then you need to accept the agreement and agree to the Buzz cancellation notice and tap next in the bottom. Then you also can change the language of the app. I'm actually not, I think of course it should work with voice messaging in any language, because it's just like recorded voice messages. But just if you want to change app interface, these are languages available. Then you can also block people here, and in the bottom you can log out. Then there is just like what is Buzz feedback. You can always reach out to their support here or write some feedback if you wanna. That's basically the overview. Also, there is a handy feature in the top right where there is quiet mode, available mode, messages, quiet mode, speaker off, notifications only, and available mode, messages play and speak in real time. And then as you can see, your status near your profile picture in top left also changes. So usually maybe it's a better option just to use quiet mode, not to be distracted all the time. If you wanted just to see messages play in real time, you can just enable active mode if you're using this app a lot. But there you have it. This app keeps climbing in the charts. That's why I wanted to make this tutorial. As you can see, it's kind of in category of like these walkie-talkie apps, but it's getting quite high in the charts already. A lot of people like these short audio messages. Not everyone wants to use WhatsApp, so that's where this app comes in. You can see actually a lot of ratings and quite positive ratings. This app also gets some trending and hype in TikTok. So I'm a high schooler, and this app makes it easier to talk to people who are in a class instead of calling someone, especially when you have headphones in. And when you leave the tab open on your phone, you can still hear them talk, and you can still reply for some other things, good quality. So this app is pretty much just an app that you can use just like a walkie-talkie. This is just like a walkie-talkie on your phone. This app is so amazing. It's just like text, but you hold the button and talk and then let go. Some people are not that happy. There are some bugs. So like you don't even have to go into the app and click to see what your friends sent you. It automatically opens it. So yeah, some good reviews here, and especially I like these integrations with Dynamic Island, and you know that it's very convenient and easy to use on mobile, and it integrates well with your phone, so you don't need to open the app every time and all of that. Some people can be concerned about privacy then, like maybe it records all your what you say all the time. That's another thing. But yeah, also not sure. I hope it's available on Android. For sure it's available on iOS. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick review. Put a like so more people can see it, and check out my other videos.